So the next question says, what is the next number in the pattern? Now, all you need to do is understand the pattern. This is 85, the next is 66. Now, when I do the difference between 85 and 66, I'm going to get them minus 19. Okay, so the next one is 49. When I do the difference between this and this, I'm going to get them 17. Okay, now when I do the difference between 49 and 36, I'm going to get 13. Now I'm noticing something. These are all these are called prime numbers. They are numbers that are divisible by themselves and 1. So let's say if the next one okay, so having established this is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is a prime number, the next prime number is 11. So I'm going to do 36 minus 11, and that will give me what? That will give me 25. So the next number in line is 25, and the correct answer here is C. Question 6 says, what is 19.347 to the nearest hundreds? Now, all you need to do is approximate this number. So since it is above, it is 5 and above, so we'll approximate it to 19.35. So this is to the nearest hundred. So the correct answer here is C. So we will go to the next question, which says, what is the value of debts? Now, first to do this, we are going to add up our decimal places. Now, the first one is 0.63 is adding up to, just make sure you arrange them well, 45.4, and we'll add up what? 0.2. So we are adding up all this. Then this will be 3. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 2, 12. 2, you put your dot and you carry your 1. This will be 6, and this will be 4. So we're going to do 46.23. We're going to subtract, this will be our dot, 0.07. So for us to subtract this, now you can see this is not up to 3 minus 7 can't go. You borrow 1 from here, this will be 1, and you put 1. 13 minus 7 will give us 6. 1 minus 0 is going to give us 1 dot. Now here you are going to have 6, and you have your 4. So our final answer here is 46.16. So I'll circle this and get my answer. Now question 8 says there are 600 animals in a farm. 0.32 are cows, 0.11 are sheep, and the rest are goats. How many goats are in the farm? Now for the cow, remember the total is 600, so 0.32 are cows, so we'll do 0.32, which will be, this is the same thing as 32 over 100 multiplied by 600. So 00 cancel 00. That means the cows are, when you do this, you are going to get 192. That's 32 times 6. Then for us to get the sheep will be 0.11, which is the same thing as 11 over 100 multiplied by 600. 00 cancel 00. So this is going to be our sheep will be 66. Now when you sum this up, 192 plus 66, that will give you 192 plus 66 will give you 2 plus 6 is going to give you 8. 9 plus 6 is going to give you 5. Carry your 1. Then this will be 258. So this is the sum of, that's sheep plus cow. So for you to get your goats will be 600 minus 258, which is going to give us 342. So the correct answer here is D. Okay, so that takes us to question 9. It says, in a census carried out in a certain town, the number of women was 5236, and that of men was 580 less than the number of women. The number of children was half the number of adults. What was the total population of the town? Now, notice that it says women it's 5236. Then it says men, it's 580 less than the number of women. That's men will be 5236 minus 580. Now when you evaluate this, it's going to give you 4656. Okay, then children, the number of children was half the number of adults. So let's sum up half adults. Now the adults will be women plus men. So we're going to do 5236 plus 4656. Okay, so this will give me 9892. Therefore children will be half times 9892, and this will give me 4656. So this is my final answer. Therefore the correct answer here is going to be what? D. So like I said, if you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Question 10 says 3 bells rings at intervals of 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and 48 minutes. The bell rang together at 12:30 hour. What time in AM/PM will they ring together next? Now the best way to solve this question is just to get the LCM of 30, 40, and 48. So we are going to divide through 2 into 30, it's 15, this is 20, this is 24, 2 here, it's 15, this is 10, this is 12, 2 here, it's 15, 5, and this is 6, 2 here will be 15, 5, and 3, we have 3 into 5, 5, and 1, and we have 5 into, this will be 1, 1, and 1. So when I look for the LCM, I'm going to get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 2 is going to give me 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48, 48 times 5, this is going to give me 240. So now I'm going to convert 240, this is 240 minutes. So converting this to hours, which will be what? When you do 240 divided by 60, this will give you 4 hours. So this is going to give me 4 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 12:30 hour plus 4 hours. So this is going to give me this will be 16:30 hour, and this is the same thing as 4:30 p.m. So the correct answer here is what? C.